Holidays on Shoestrings presents cheese and stroopwafles at Volendam. As we cruised into Volendam, Holland's best-known fishing village, the handsome old harbour full of old Dutch ships caught our sight. Volendam is a Dutch town in the Markermeer Lake, northeast of Amsterdam. It is known for its colourful wooden houses and the old fishing boats in its harbour. Landing in Volendam, we visited the cheese factory, which is one of the newest attractions in the centre of Volendam. Despite the name, it is much more than a factory. It's an interactive experience introducing us to the wonders of Dutch cheese. We stopped to taste the poffer cheese dusted with icing sugar. Then we visited Volt Cheese, an old-fashioned Dutch bakery that claimed to make the best Dutch cookies, stroopwafles, in the country. Well, it did smell good. And we watched the demonstration from a traditional baker and even helped to make one. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, and press the bell icon.